Welcome to Next News. My name is Bois Bird, and welcome to Next News. Today, a shocking thing. The President Abraham Lincoln has been... Really? Seriously? That's all news. Give me something new. A tragedy has struck. A Titanic has... That's old as well. Exciting news. Exciting news. We have just landed a man on the... Give me something new, please. A new blockbuster has just came to the movies. It's called Star Wars: A New Hope. Are you kidding me? That's old as well. That's like 19... Give me something that's 2000. A tragedy has struck. Everyone knows of the 9/11. Give me something new! Right now! Unfortunately, we're having a little malfunction here. I will report back to you some other time. Goodbye.